current one also.
And you are doing right now? Any ma'am?
Yes.
All right. That's wonderful.
We have already done Priya's ma'am.
And this is the second time she's doing magic.
That's wonderful. So what experience, what do you think of it?
I would say that I have stopped complaining now, and I have started seeing even the worst things in a positive light.
Right?
So I think that helps a lot, and whenever I see it in a positive light, it gets resolved faster.
Wow. So you've tried that in your life, like, have you experienced it?
Yes.
Yeah. Yeah, that's
Yes.
wonderful. So good to see. Which class you are in, Khushi?
I'm in college.
Oh, she's in college. That's wonderful. I think
yeah.
I'll make her speak to my daughter and inspire her more.
Your daughter is in school or college?
School.
Okay.
Right now she's in school.
Okay, great. Good. That's nice.
Wonderful, Khushi. Keep practicing and all the best. And you know what happens if we drop it, like, then we forget about it and we stop believing in it. So it's like whenever there's any session, keep attending, keep practicing, and get more of your friends so you can become magic buddies. And it will be all the more fun then. Get all your friends.
Yes, I will. Thank you. See you.
Thank you so much for sharing. Thank you so much, and God bless you.
Thank you.
Ah, so sweet. I didn't know she was attending.
No, actually, I tell you one thing. जब ये first time वो शुरू हुआ था ना बच्चों का, Payal was doing it.
Yeah.
Sorry, Priya was doing it. So I was telling her, I said, join Khushi. She said, no, I don't want to join. I said, ठीक है, आप एक कर लो, attend 1 class or 2 class. If you don't like it, छोड़ देना, big deal उसमें क्या है? कोई उसमें तो है नहीं है. तो she said, ठीक है. So she liked it so much that that's the second time she has joined.
That's lovely.
And she never used to miss not even one single class. So जैसे उनकी क्लास शाम को 8 बजे I think she used to take, and जैसे 7:30 run करके she used to go to her room, locker room, and अपना laptop on करके she used to attend. ऐसे स्कूल में इतनी नहीं थी, seriously. She's enjoying this class. So now today she's telling me, Mummy, after the second magic book, second time I'm doing, now I want to do power.
Oh, lovely. So she can start her own magic session with her friends. That will be all the more, fun.
Yeah. Actually, she's saying, Kati, Mama, I've told my friends, so they were not showing any interest.
She can start, because there's one in my building from Modern High. She was like, after when she passed out class 12 and the pandemic was there. So she also attended Ashmi ma'am's magic book session. And then she started her own book reading session. We were asked and all. So all her friends and all joined. So, like-minded people or teenagers, so they could share a lot. And they had, like-minded, So that was really nice. So if she can start with her own friends, and she can ask them to pass on to your building friends or someone, she can maintain the age limit if she wants.
Right. Yeah.
So that will, she'll have more interest.
Actually, right now, they have enough time now, online classes. So
that is a do that to take her own session now.
Thank you.
Thank you so much. It's so nice. I'll tell Priya also.
Yeah, she keeps talking to Priya. She doesn't tell me. She keeps calling her. I never used to call her. If she has a fight with her sister now, then also she calls her. So in fact, one day I was talking to her when I was taking a class with her power ka. So she was telling me, she said, "आपको पता है खुशी मेरे को phone करती रहती है." I said, "अच्छा, I didn't know that." She said whenever she had a fight with her sister or something, she's very sensitive basically now. She's gone. So she's very sensitive. She feels बहुत जल्दी hurt हो जाती है वो small thing. I used to keep telling her कि खुशी इतना छोटी बातों में hurt नहीं होते हैं, it's okay. So
she's a Piscean?
She's a Pisces. Boy, she also says she's a Piscean.
So is my daughter, and so is Priya.
Yeah, that's what she said. Priya also said, she said, मैं भी बहुत sensitive हूँ. I also get hurt very fast.
Absolutely.
So I said, she's also like that, कि then उसका फिर वो mood काफी देर तक ही off रहता है. Then she said, Then she tells me sometimes कि मम्मी मेरे कोई problem थी मैंने उनसे पूछ लिया. Now she doesn't ask me what should I do. She call her up and she asked her.
That's great, wonderful.
Yeah, and I've noticed one thing कि बच्चे I think जल्दी pick up करते हैं. They pick up very.
Yes, you know, बच्चे जल्दी स्विमिंग करते हैं, साइकिलिंग करते हैं, because they are more receptive. ना उनका कोई बिलीफ नहीं है, कुछ नहीं है, जैसे बोलते हैं ना कच्ची मिट्टी है, जैसे ढालो वैसे ढल जाएंगे. So it's very, I think the right time, you know, the younger the children come into this magic book session.
Yeah.
वो सुन के कोई और बिलीफ नहीं बैठा हुआ है उन लोगों के सबकॉन्शियस माइंड.
True. My actually elder daughter also wants to do, but बेचारी के पास बिल्कुल time नहीं है. She's so busy. She's working from home, and morning till रात के 8:30, 9:30 तक
Oh,
she's
really?
working. Yeah.
What is she doing?
She's working in L'Oreal, Bombay.
Okay, all right.
So अभी तो she's working from home only, but lot of work. So she doesn't get time at all.
Beautiful daughters,
But
huh?
one thing is good, you know, she at least writes a gratitude.
Oh, that's wonderful.
Yeah, she writes it. That's what I told her. I said, 10-5 minutes लगेंगे, Diksha, at least write your gratitude. इतना तो शुरू कर लो. She writes.
Hi.
Hi,
My dear.
Payal, Bella is blessed with beautiful, gorgeous daughters, huh?
Yes, absolutely. I agree.
And thank you, Akansha.
All right. Yeah, I'm sure daughters
Hi,
are always a
everyone.
blessing. Hi, Preeti.
Daughters, कभी देखो ना माँ के चेहरे में इतना ग्लो है. Daughters.
Akansha, thank you so much and love you.
Wonderful. Hi, Monica ji. Hi, Shalini ji. How are you all? This
All
the
good.
practice. All good?
Yes, it's going well, and even my daughter, she follows it regularly. She listens to the every day क्योंकि उसका internship चल रहा है तो वो नहीं ले सकती है. लेकिन she writes her blessings and जितना कर सकती है she is doing. I'm happy कि जितना कर sincerely कर रही है.
That's good. That's very good. Your daughter is, how old is she?
She's 20.
She's 20. You're same as Belaji's daughter.
My
21.
daughter is 19. She's 19. Yeah.
Okay. 19 and 20. So very close. So same mindset and all. Lovely. You know, they have so much of desires and dreams, you know, for future. So it's so good for them. हम लोग का तो at this age like आधा से ज़्यादा तो बच्चों तक ही होता है, isn't it? Half of desire dreams like end with children only. But then it's very good if they start doing it.
Hello, Payal ji.
Hi, Alka ji. How are you?
Good, very good.
Hello, आपका तो Hi, Pooja ji. तो आपका तो वो vision board भी ready था, so you're visualizing every day, Alka ji.
Yes. I do the 7-minute visualization of one dream.
Wow, lovely. After power book.
Yes.
So any dreams realized yet? No, not yet.
No,
Still
it's
far
actually a long-term dream. Actually, I am so waiting.
Yeah, but your vision board was fantastic, beautiful.
Yes. Actually, I'm visualizing about my daughter's wedding, so that will take time.
That's good. You can make a tiger project.
Yeah, but I am like visualizing it, and I'm doing like efforts for it to get here. I've started looking for boys and also in the process.
Oh wow, that's lovely. In the process, so you break the good news when it happens.
Yeah, hopefully soon.
Absolutely, you'll be sharing. I'm sure you'll be sharing.
Yeah.
Waiting for the good news.
Yeah.
She's my bhabhi.
Oh,
wow. Arey,
then Preeti will be here.
Yeah, she'll come too. Yeah, everyone is waiting now. one good news in the family, then everyone will be down.
So Bua has to be there, no?
Okay. That's wonderful.
Yeah.
So many has joined. So did yesterday's health miracle practice. How was it?
Yeah.
How was your feeling?
It was good.
It was good. Yeah, and it,
Akanksha, I started climbing stairs today in the morning.
Wow, 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 Preeti.
Yeah.
Great.
see, this is the
I
best
was just
part, you know,
imagining-
instant action.
Yeah. No, I was thinking I want to do. I was not taking in action. So I just started today.
Wow.
किसी का
Not
सुन से
only,
you
but
get
I'll
more
do it next week.
motivated.
More often.
Absolutely. You get ideas also, you get motivated
Yeah,
also.
yeah, you get ideas.
And you know, हम लोग का टेंडेंसी है, we are so laid back in general कि हम लोग हाँ एक दिन कर लेंगे, अच्छा आज नहीं कल, हाँ आज नहीं कल, ऐसा होता रहता है. But
Yes.
I have attended like one of the webinars of Nilesh sir. If any of you have attended, Akanksha, have you? I don't know. So he says, yeah, our major problem is we don't take instant action.
Hmm.
You know, कल से करूंगी, वो कल का फिर वो कल करूंगी. So that tomorrow never comes.
My magical day practice is also going good.
Wow. Yeah.
Yeah, I'm also doing many practices actually every day.
So whenever we, you know, take any decision, do it right now. From now, like this moment. So instant action is very important. And once एक बार वो motion में आ जाता है ना, then there's no stopping. But वो motion में आने में ही we take time. शायद कल से, शायद परसों से. Keep doing that. So that's the learning he is teaching us right now. You know, because he keep poking us. What action you took? What action you took? What action you took? Until and unless you
शांति करो.
start. So that is very important to take instant action.
Today I'll share my magic check.
You can share now. Yes. And
Yes.
Bela ji already shared. I think there were 2 sharings, no?
I also wanted to share. Actually, mine half has realized.
That's
Yeah.
nice, lovely.
So, and I've cancelled it.
Wow.
Yeah. So I received it yesterday only. It was ordered before and I received it yesterday. So I was thinking it's the right time I received it. And today is the magic check this topic.
Chapter. Yes.
So yes. So
That's
it's all
wonderful.
all on time.
Yeah, congratulations and very good. So today you will be writing a new check.
Yes. Thank you. Thank
We
you.
can
Payal.
write today, na, Mayalji? We can write today, na? Check.
Yeah.
New check.
Yes,
Okay.
yes. Even if it hasn't realized, as I always say, today is the first day of my life. Let that be if hasn't been realized. You can keep it aside. But today you can always write a new check.
So won't it be like there are 2 checks now?
No, you write a
We'll have to-
new check. Maybe if there is some, you know, editing you want to do, maybe what have you thought of, you know, maybe less amount or maybe more amount or whatever it is. Like in 2 checks, say you need like 2 kinds of visualization and power that
Okay.
do it with one only.
Okay. No, actually, I also wanted to share. I had actually written a very, very big amount. And then few days back, I don't know, suddenly one day my husband came and told me, okay, I'm giving you 5 lakhs cash. And then my mom also one day suddenly told me, okay, you had to make a bracelet, so I'll send you 5 lakh cash. So in that
lovely.
half my amount got
Wow.
realized.
Very good. Very good. Superb. Superb.
So
But I
since
had
you
actually
shared
written
that
a
you
very
have
big amount because I wanted to buy solitaire. So half the money I've got.
lovely, lovely.
Very good. More magic to you.
Absolutely. Congratulations and big shout out to you.
Really,
Yeah,
congratulations.
because as
Really.
you
Thank
said
you.
that you have been
Congratulations.
practicing. So you have collected like in your
Yeah.
account a lot of, so see, it took some time, isn't it? The time
Yeah,
we
yeah.
started manifesting, like
Yes.
time we started practicing. So वो account में what were we doing? We were just collecting gratitude. जब उतना gratitude हो गया, now it got realized, now need more gratitude. So it's like that, you know, you can encash it anytime if you have the account full of gratitude. That's
Yeah.
wonderful. So, and if you want to speed it up, so we can start the circle of money. You must have done it in
What's-
power.
I don't remember though. What is the circle of money, Payalji?
Circle of money is like, you know, you can keep a bundle of 10 rupees or 20 rupees or, you know, whatever.
Oh, that I do. That three notes you distribute
Yes,
every
yes,
day. Yes, yes.
I didn't know. बताइए फिर से पहले.
हाँ हम लोग को भी नहीं पता वापस बताइए पायल जी
आपको नहीं पता होगा मीतू जी, though people who have done power will be knowing it.
अच्छा
So we are
Yeah.
starting soon. After this, we are starting Power Payalji, please.
Okay.
Because
Yeah, it's
I
also a
couldn't
lovely
do
book.
that.
It's a lovely book.
Yeah.
Power is
I have
beautiful
a
book.
book, but I want
And
to
actually, you
start
can
a session
relate
with
both the
Payal.
books together, you know.
No,
There are so
yeah,
many
yeah.
practices, you can relate both of it
Yeah,
together.
yeah, very similar. Yeah.
That is more depth. It is more depth. So the circle of money, you don't remember, Belaji? 3 notes you have to, give to people.
She said, na 10
every-
rupees ka 3 notes, you bless it and you give it away to people. And if you can't, you collect it and then give it whenever there is time, you can give it. Like you
Like
can
if-
give it to anyone.
if it's lockdown,
Huh?
if you can't go out, then you can energize and keep it to yourself. When you go out, and then you can distribute.
But like
Yes.
I
Now
give it to the
remember.
delivery boys and all also. That's fine, no?
Yeah.
Absolutely.
Yeah, because then
that I
otherwise
remember.
ready you go to.
Yes. वो that first class में किया था, but भूल गई.
हाँ,
Yeah,
वो
first
3 notes
when
she
we
has
did
said na 10
power first
denomination
time.
ka.
Yeah. अभी second वाले में we haven't reached there, so that's why I forgot.
That's
So
the
it's
circle of
note
money.
only or a coin also? is
No, she
possible?
said not to do coin. She said do
Okay.
rupee.
Yeah.
No.
Money,
पायल जी हम लोग कर सकते हैं क्या प्रैक्टिस जो
कर
Yes, you
सकते क्यों
can.
नहीं?
आप एक बताइए थोड़ा सा ब्रीफ में आप बताइए एक बार
It's just it's like money is what energy ना, उसका एक सर्कल, जैसे बोलते हैं जितना दोगे उतना आएगा. तो क्या होता है, हम लोग आज दिए 2-3 दिन नहीं दिए तो वो एक सर्कल स्टार्ट नहीं होता है, ब्रेक लग जाता है. So if you start distributing, like you make it a point, 3 लोगों को रोज आपको 10 रुपीज देना है. 10, 20, 50, 100 as you wish, you can keep it aside. एक बार तो एक बॉक्स में एनर्जाइज करके आप उसको रख दीजिए. It's better, that way you'll remember.
एनर्जाइज करने के बाद क्या बोलना है
एनर्जाइज तो हम लोग बताए थे ना, मनी चैप्टर में भी किए थे ना.
अच्छा.
ब्लेस द मनी, कि जिनको आप दे रहे हो ये उनके बहुत अच्छा प्रॉस्पर करे, फले फूले, with lot of blessings, that the money prospers that person. तो उनके लिए अच्छा हो. वैसे एनर्जाइज करके आप उनको 3 लोगों को देना है. 3 डिफरेंट पीपल, एक ही जन को नहीं देना है. 3 डिफरेंट पीपल एवरी डे. तो इट्स
एक चीज पूछना, सॉरी आई एम डिस्टर्बिंग यू. जैसे हम लोग रोज पूजा करते हैं मंदिर में ना, तो रोज लाइक माय हस्बैंड पैसे चढ़ाते हैं. सो कैन वी गिव दैट मनी आल्सो?
इट्स ऑलरेडी ब्लेस्ड. हाँ, दे भी सकते हैं. यस, व्हाई नॉट, इफ यू वांट टू. आई थिंक सो.
Otherwise, what do you do with that money? You might be giving it only, na?
Yeah, we give. I know, with that money, we don't use.
That's what. Now, so it's
somebody.
anyways like
giving it
blessing
only.
and
So you've already energized, and then you're giving it to people around.
And that you have to do every day.
yeah, every day,
Every
3
day.
notes.
Okay.
So you do it for a month. मतलब एक बना लो, इस महीने मुझे करना है. At least do it for a month. And then you can, if you want, you can give a break. But if you want it to a continuous flow, बहुत जन ऐसे हैं जो
Yeah,
एक
but
life
it
का,
is like you
अपना
can
वो
do it
बना लेना.
continuously also. Yeah.
It depends, like अगर बहुत जन है कि नहीं इतना नहीं कर सकते तो आप 1 महीना करके चाहे आप ब्रेक दे दो. Otherwise, if you want a circle of money to be there, like in your life, then there are many people, successful people, they make it a point that they do it every day.
थैंक यू
So yeah, so money is just an energy actually. इसको हम
So
लोग कैसे
Belaji, Payal ji, what should I do with this check?
if you want, you can keep it, or if you want, you can remove it also. Like मैंने जो मेरा जो पहले gratitude का book था, I keep all my checks in that book only.
Okay.
In that journal.
Okay. Yeah. Thank you.
It keeps reminding you, and whenever you see that check, it has been realized, you be all the more grateful, isn't it? So it's a good thing.
The amount what I had written, I got it below that amount, whatever I ordered.
पूजा जी के यहाँ से बहुत हमारे साथ.
What did you buy?
It's a very normal thing. I bought a mattress for my bed, but
Okay.
it was a big amount. Here you like, it's very expensive, the mattresses. So I had written 1,500 euros.
Okay.
So I got it in 1250.
Oh wow! So you got
Wow,
discount
very
as
good.
well.
So I saved 250.
Yes, that's wonderful. Yes, Pooja ji, you were asking something, but there's a lot of sound at the background. Can you just check?
I was just asking, can you please repeat the check? वो कैसे करना है वो वाला task?
Check wala chapter we will do right now, and in the end again I'll show you the check. Awesome. So today we'll be doing the magic check, जहाँ पे sharings हुए हैं. Alka ji and Preeti ji both have realized that check, and I think Bela ji also, she shared the other day, Yeah, unexpected. All of them, all three of them. And
Yeah,
congratulations,
yesterday.
Edmund.
Congrats to all three of you. We are still waiting.
That's wonderful. So आज जिन्होंने नहीं लिखा है, आज हम लोग भी magic check लिखेंगे. And I also got my check realized like I think 3-4 times तो हो ही चुका है.
अरे वाह,
Wow.
that's great.
Been doing from so long, so पहले के भी सब checks है, तो 3-4 checks है ना. One day.
One thing I want to say to all of them कि
इधर light
जितने भी
वाला।
अभी यहाँ पर है, मैं उनके लिए I wish and I pray to God सबके जल्दी जल्दी चेक पूरे फटाफट से हो जाए. I
Wonderful.
really
Amen.
pray to God.
Thank you, Bella.
Thank you
Yes.
and same to you.
Thank you and same to you.
I wish कल तक परसों तक सब गाने लग जाएंगे.
And you know, by the end of this session only, everyone should share, you know, I got my check realized, I got my check realized. It was such happy moment.
Yeah, I swear, really.
But ये तभी होगा if we have been practicing, you know, all the other practices, like, you know, Alka ji said, they are like every day, every time they are practicing. You know, वही gratitude को कब उन्होंने check लिखा था, अब half हुआ है because, you know, gratitude account has to be full to realize it. So,
I
the more we
know.
practice, the sooner
First
we
session पे लिखा था, second session पे complete हुआ है.
I know.
So we write another check. Or
But actually my amount was very, very big. I had just written because I was wanting it since a very long time. So at least आधा तो पूरा हो गया.
yeah, absolutely. You should be grateful. You know, you should not think
Yes,
"Arey,
yes,
आधा
I'm
हुआ."
Very good.
So after doing power, you must be knowing above the line feeling is so very important. It won't be realized अगर हम लोग below the line की feeling में होंगे. You have to be.
आधा ही बच्चा है.
Sorry.
आधा ही बच्चा है, पूरा हुआ से आधा ही बच्चा है अभी. You have already half amount.
So the glass is half full or half empty? Huh?
Yes, half full. That's what.
Right, half full. So we have to think that way. Yeah, it's already 4:25. Let's start. Who would like to read today?
Can I read? Can I read, Payal ji?
Yes, Alka ji.
The magic check.
Just hold on now.
Yeah.
This has shifted somewhere. I can't see the board. आप लोगों को भी बोर्ड पे कुछ और भी दिख रहा है क्या?
नहीं, मैजिक चेक लिखा. ये कल का चैप्टर आ गया है.
So everyone else, आप लोग अपने आप को प्लीज आई रिक्वेस्ट म्यूट पे रखिए. Only अलका जी will read. बाकी सब म्यूट कर लीजिए. I can see a lot of people because then I have yeah. So we can see a table is there. A table पे you can see a telephone and a file and a check as well. And it's a magical check. How can we make it magical and why we call it magic? अभी तक हम लोग ने पास्ट में जितना भी रुपया यूज किया है और somehow we have enjoyed the services through it, वो उनका हम लोग ने gratitude दे दिया. And the magic check is the future money which we want to use for future use. Right? So we have to be very clear why we want the money. Then only. ये नहीं कि बस just होना चाहिए उसके बाद सोचूंगी कि क्या करना है. We have to know why you want it. Like phone इसलिए है, you know whom you are calling and why you are calling. Don't you just dial the number vaguely, isn't it? We don't do that. So before writing the check, we have to know why we want that money and what we will be doing with that money. Yes, Alka.
Day 17. The magic check. In the magical universe, there are no coincidences and there are no accidents. Nothing happens unless someone wills it to happen. William S. Burroughs, 1914 to 1997, writer and poet.
Yeah, so in the magical universe, यहाँ पे ना इस वर्ल्ड में कुछ भी कोइंसिडेंस नहीं होते हैं और एक्सीडेंटली नहीं हुआ कि अरे लकीली उसको रुपया मिल गया, कोइंसिडेंटली मिल गया, जो हम लोग बोलते हैं ना लकीली मिल गया, वो लकीली नहीं होता है, वो कहीं ना कहीं that person has been in gratitude, has done something good, you know, has given, maybe helped someone, तभी वो उनका वापस आया. Nothing happens unless someone wills it to happen. हमने कहीं ना कहीं चाहा था, अगर डेट था या लॉटरी थी निकली है, कहीं ना कहीं उसकी चाहत थी कि मुझे लॉटरी मिल जाए तो लॉटरी मिल गई. और अगर वरी फियर था, ओ गॉड इतना लोन ले लिया, इसका डेथ हो गया, अब इसको कैसे चुकाना, तो वो आता ही आता है. तो वो भी आता है, डेट भी इसीलिए आता है बिकॉज वी आर ऑलवेज वरीड अबाउट इट. सो वी विल्स इट टू हैपन. हमारा उस समय विल क्या है? आर वी इन फियर और डाउट और वरी, or are we very excited or happy about it? It all depends on that.
When you direct gratitude's magical power toward any negative condition, a new condition is created, eliminating the old condition. That means that when you get yourself to the place where you feel grateful for money more than you feel a lack of money, a new condition is created, eliminating the lack of money and magically replacing it with more money.
Yeah, so gratitude का magical power, अगर हम लोग negative condition, like मेरे पास तो इतना रुपया है ही नहीं, काश मेरे पास इतना होता, instead of whatever we are having, if we are only complaining about it, if we are having negative thought about it, and then हम लोग उसी को ज्यादा अपनी तरफ attract कर रहे हैं, right? So a new condition is created, eliminating the lack of money and magically replacing it with more money. How? By being grateful for the money we are having right now.
All bad feelings about money push money away from you and reduce the amount of money in your life. And every time you feel bad about money, you reduce it a little more. If you, one second. If you have feelings about money like envy, disappointment, worry, or fear, you cannot receive more. The law of attraction says that like attracts like. So if you feel disappointed that you don't have enough money, you will receive more disappointing circumstances having enough money. If you are worried about money, you will receive more worrying situations about money. If you feel fearful about the state of your money, then you must receive more situations that will continue to make you fearful about money.
Right. So bad feelings about money pushes the money away from us and reduce the amount of money in our life. So every time, अब ये bad feelings क्या होते हैं? If you are like jealous कि किसी और का देखे, काश मेरे पास भी ऐसे गाड़ी होती, the way you know the other person is traveling, काश मैं भी ऐसे travel करती, काश मेरे पास भी गुच्ची का बैग होता, you know. So these are not good feelings. And then disappointment, worry, disappointment, you're not happy with the way your life is going on. और worry कि कैसे होगा, मैं लोन चुका पाऊंगा कि नहीं पाऊंगा, कि बिजनेस कैसे चलेगा, और fear of your future कि कैसे में हम लोग फ्यूचर में एजुकेशन कैसे होंगे बच्चों की, हम लोग का यू नो ओल्ड एज का. वी डोंट लिव इन द मोमेंट एक्चुअली, एंड व्हाट वी डू इज हम लोग जाने अनजाने में क्या कर रहे हैं, हम लोग उसी को अपनी तरफ अट्रैक्ट कर रहे हैं. अगर हम लोग फ्यूचर के लिए आज इतना डरेंगे तो क्या होगा, you know, we are attracting more of that because like attracts like. तो जितना हम लोग डर, चिंता, भय, वरी ये सब में रहेंगे, उसको हम लोग लाइफ में और अट्रैक्ट करेंगे. And if we are grateful and satisfied and happy with the way our life is going on, we attract more of such situations.
However difficult it may be, you have to ignore your current situation and any lack of money you may currently be experiencing. And gratitude is the guaranteed way for you to do that. You can't be grateful for money and disappointed about money at the same time. You can't be thinking grateful thoughts about money and have worried thoughts about money at the same time. Nor can you be grateful for money and have fearful thoughts about money at the same time. When you're grateful for money, not only do you stop the negative thoughts and feeling that push money away from you, you're doing the very thing that brings more money to you.
Yes. तो जैसे कितने जन बोलते हैं ना कि अरे लोन लेना तो अच्छी बात होती है, इसमें क्या है, ले लो बैंक से लोन ले लो, बहुत अच्छी बात होती है. So even if you're taking money, I mean even if you're taking loan, at least don't say अच्छी बात है and don't get excited about it कि बहुत अच्छी बात है लोन लेना. So what are we doing? It is sticking to us. We are attracting more such situations where you have to take loan. ले लिया, you know, and then you be grateful for the institution for lending me the money so that I can, you know, do my business. and then you always be grateful that I'll repay. You know, and जिनको देना है लोन को वापस दे देना है, be grateful for the money you have received and then repay it and forget about it. Loan आपको stick कर जाएगा if you are just happy and excited कि I got the loan and it is good for us. Right? So हम लोग को ये language पे बहुत work करना है. We should not say it, it's good, you know, the loan, taking loan is good for us. So वो हम लोग को नहीं करना है. We have to be very, very careful when we speak about it. And then pay gratitude and pay back. Sorry. Mute कर लीजिए please, Tapan. Right.
Okay.
और वैसे भी negative vibration जो हम लोग देते हैं ना, हमारे अंदर negative and positive दोनों हैं. Like angel and demon दोनों हैं. It depends on us, हम लोग किसको ज्यादा feed कर रहे हैं. तो वही ज्यादा you know बढ़ रहा है, magnify हो रहा है हमारे life में. If we are worried, jealous, fear, it pushes the money away from us and हम लोग उसी के circumstances को भी magnify कर रहे हैं. Positive is like if you are being grateful about the money, then we are attracting more of such situations. Yes.
You have already practiced gratitude for money you have received and continue to receive. So before you use gratitude's magical power for the money you want, you need to understand the various ways and avenues that money or riches could come into your life. Because if you are not grateful, each time your riches or money increase, you will stop the abundance from flowing to you.
Yes. तो उसमें क्या होता है ना, कभी ये नहीं बोलना चाहिए मेरे पास तो बहुत ज्यादा, ऐसे लगता है ना लोगों को नजर लग जाएगी, तो हम लोग क्या बोलते हैं, मेरे पास ज्यादा नहीं है, you know, I don't have enough, you know, I can't afford it. Now, all these are like negative, you know, emotions and negative thought and feeling given to your money. Never ever say that. नहीं भी है भी है, और जैसे बोलते हैं ना, जितनी चादर उतनी क्या फैलाओ पैर, बोलते हैं ना, उतना
जितनी चादर उतने ही पैर फैलाओ.
Right. So if you want more, तो चादर बड़ी कर दो ना. ये सब, you know, बोल के वगैरह क्या होगा. So what we say is very, very important. You know, we are manifesting that in our life, and you can't be negative and positive both at the same time. If you are grateful for the money, then you can't be complaining about it at the same time. You can't have those feelings. तो जो भी लाइफ में है, हम लोग को जो मनी के थ्रू हम लोग यूज कर रहे हैं, उन सब के लिए हम लोग को ग्रेटफुल होना है. I have enough, I have abundance, so we attract more abundance in our life.
Okay. Money can come to you through receiving is this the one I have to read? Unexpected check, an increase in salary, a lottery win, a tax refund, or an unanticipated gift of money from someone. Your money can also increase when somebody else spontaneously picks up the tab for coffee, lunch, or dinner, when you are about to purchase an item and you discover it has been discounted, when there is a money back offer on a purchase, or when someone gives you a gift of something you needed to buy. The end result of every one of these circumstances is that you have more money. So whenever a situation arises, ask yourself, does the circumstances mean that I have more money? Because if it does, you need to be very grateful for the money you are receiving through the circumstance.
Yeah. तो अगर कितने जन ऐसे हैं कि अगर किसी को कहीं पे डिस्काउंट मिल जाता है, बोला अरे ये तो स्कीम में ऑलरेडी था, कौन सी बड़ी बात है, ये तो ऐसे भी मिलना ही था. So if we are saying such things, that means we are pushing away money from us, you know, coming to us. इसका मतलब क्या है? We are disrespecting and we are being ungrateful for the money. A money saved is also a penny saved is penny earned, isn't it? तो अगर कहीं से अनएक्सपेक्टेड चेक आ गया, कहीं से डिस्काउंट मिल गया है, सैलरी में इंक्रीज हो गई है, तो बोले हाँ इतना मेहनत किया था, सैलरी तो इंक्रीज होनी थी, ये तो ऑब्वियस था, बॉस ने पहले ही बोल दिया था. नो, वी आर टेकिंग इट फॉर ग्रांटेड. दैट मीन्स वी आर बीइंग नेगेटिव अबाउट मनी. तो वी हैव टू बी वेरी केयरफुल कि हम लोग क्या बोल रहे हैं. अभी हम लोग लाइफ में रिफ्लेक्ट करेंगे एंड थिंक अबाउट इट कि कहाँ हम लोग ने ऐसे टर्म्स यूज किए हैं कि सेल लगा है तो सेल में इतना डिस्काउंट तो मिलना ही था, इसमें कौन सी बड़ी बात है. तो यू विल सी कि आपको डिस्काउंट मिलना ही बंद हो गया है, यू नो. And even if you get it, it's not worth, or maybe you did not get what you actually wanted. And I have seen people who are, you know, really grateful. They get the best of brands in discount. And you know, earlier I also used to complain, no, sale is not good, I don't get it. I never used to get it. And, you know, my sister used to get it. The best of things. The same thing, but I never used to get it because I always was complaining about sale and the discount thing. So now I understand why I could never enjoy the discount thing. अगर लॉटरी में आप सोचो तंबोला खेल रहे हो, ओ वन एक ही लाइन तो आया है, एक फर्स्ट हाउस आ जाता या हाउसफुल आता तब मजा आता, यू नो द बिग अमाउंट. नो 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 नो. Then also again we are complaining and we are being ungrateful. जितना भी आए जैसे भी आए, oh wow, we should be joyful and excited about it. Then you attract more of it.
Okay. If you tell a friend you are about to buy an item and the friend offers to lend you or give you the very item because they don't use it, or if you are planning to travel and you hear about a discounted special that you end up taking, or if your lending money institution lowers their interest rate, or a service provider offers you a far better package, your money magically increase through the savings of the money. Are you getting the idea of the unlimited situations where you can receive money?
Yes.
Most
तो
likely.
कितनी बार ऐसा होता है ना कि हम लोग कोई फ्रेंड हम लोग को गिफ्ट कर देती है, या फिर कोई पेरेंट्स में भी, सिस्टर्स में भी, यू आर रियली वांटिंग एंड यू गेट अ गिफ्ट. So that is also we should be grateful, either in cash or in kind. हम लोग दो वे में कहीं से भी रिसीव करें. It doesn't have to be cash only. Even if it is in kind, then also we have to be grateful. Then also वो kind में वे में भी आया तो क्या वो money use करके ही आया ना. So we have to be grateful for that thing as well. Lending institution, traveling में कितनी बार होता है ना किसी का फ्लाइट का टिकट डिस्काउंट रेट में मिल जाता है, एंड कितनी बार ऐसा होता है आप ट्राई करो, आपको लग रहा है अरे मुझे भी मिल जाएगा, 2 days के बाद इट हैज स्टॉप. So why that person could avail it and we could not avail it. So somewhere we are complaining about the money. The lucky बोलते ना ये lucky थे, ये time पे किए lucky थे, ये lucky जो बोलते हैं उनका check करिए, वो कहीं ना कहीं बहुत grateful. That's why he is availing all the discounts and the deals.
Most likely you have experienced some of these situations in the past, and whether you realized it or not at the time, they occurred because you attracted them. But when gratitude is your way of life, you attract magical situations all the time. Many people call it good luck, but it's not luck at all. It's universal law.
Yes, it is universal law and we call it luck, but it's not luck, it's universal law. The more you give and be grateful and happy about it. कितने जन का आप देखोगे टेम्परामेंट ही ऐसे होते हैं, अगर उनका पैसा ज्यादा भी लग जाता है ना, बोला अरे कोई नहीं, चल चल हो गया, चलो आज मेरे तरफ से, है ना. और कितने जन होते हैं ओ गॉड कंप्लेन करते रहते हैं, मेरा कितना खर्चा हो गया, कितना खर्चा हो गया. तो वो क्या होता है, सी द वन सिचुएशन एंड टू पीपल का टू माइंडसेट. So one will attract more in life and the other will always find ऐसा और situation arise हो रहा है जहां उनका ज्यादा लगता जा रहा है, खर्चा होते ही जा रहा है.
Any circumstance that results in you having more money or receiving something that cost money is a result of your gratitude. You will feel great joy in knowing that you did it. And when you continue your joy with your gratitude, you have a real magnetic force that will keep attracting more and more abundance.
Yeah, so this is very important. When you combine your joy with your gratitude, you have a real magnetic force that will attract more and more abundance. मतलब अगर आप मन से ग्रेटिट्यूड, एक तो है ऊपर से बस पैसा आया थैंक यू बोल दिया, एक मन से आप खुश होते हो, आपको छोटी सी डिस्काउंट मिली, कोई छोटा सा गिफ्ट भी किया तो आप उसमें बहुत खुश हो, और रादर देन यू आर सेइंग ओ ये कुछ चीज दिया है इन्होंने, क्या इसका डजंट मैटर, ये तो मैं ऐसे ही बाय कर लेती या नेक्स्ट टाइम आ जाता है, इट्स नो बिग डील. यू आर बीइंग अनग्रेटफुल. और अगर हम लोग उसी के लिए ग्रेटिट्यूड एंड फुल ऑफ जॉय कि वाओ आई वांटेड दिस एंड आई गॉट इट एंड आई एम सो ग्रेटफुल टू हर, सो देन वी अट्रैक्ट मोर एंड मोर एंड मोर.
When I arrived in the United States several years ago, I arrived with 2 suitcases. I worked in a bare bones apartment with my computer on my lap. I didn't have a car, and so I mostly walked everywhere. But I was grateful for everything. I was grateful to be in the United States. I was grateful for the work I was doing. I was grateful for the bare bones apartments with its 4 plates, 4 knives, fork and 4 spoons. I was grateful that I could walk to most places, and I was grateful that there was a taxi stand right across the street. Then something incredible happened. A person I knew decided to gift me a driver and a car for a few months. Other than my computer, I was living with the most basic material things to survive, And then suddenly I had my own personal driver and car. I was grateful, so I was given more. And that is exactly how the magic happens with gratitude.
हाँ, तो देखिए वो जो मैंने बर्ड की स्टोरी सुनाई थी, इन एवरी सिचुएशन द बर्ड वाज बीइंग ग्रेटफुल एंड हियर आल्सो बेयर, यू नो, यहाँ पे लिखा है बेयर बोन्स अपार्टमेंट, दैट मींस नथिंग वाज देयर इन हर अपार्टमेंट अपार्ट फ्रॉम हर कंप्यूटर, और वो जो उन्होंने लिखा है ना, four knives, 4 plates, forks and spoons, apart from that nothing was there, but she was always being grateful. And see what incredible thing happened in her life. Someone gifted her a driver and a car for few months. So that's the power of magic in our life.
Today's magical practice for the money you want to receive has brought astounding results to many people. At the end of this practice, you will find a blank magic check for the Gratitude Bank of the Universe, and you are going to write out the magic check to yourself. Fill in the amount of money you want to receive along with your name and today's date. Choose a specific amount of money for one thing you really want, because you will be able to feel more gratitude for the money when you know what you are going to spend the money. One minute, there's a lot of disturbance.
Is it from somewhere else's?
Yeah, it's not from my place.
Acha, let me mute all and then you can unmute yourself. Tapan's iPhone, from there it is coming there. Anji, ab aap kariye.
Okay, 1 second, I lost the thing. Okay, shall I read from here?
No, today's magic practice, एक minute. Today's magic practice for the money is, हम लोग को astounding result, as you have also heard in the group. At the end of the practice, you will find a blank magic check. इस book के end में है जो Gratitude Bank of the Universe. मतलब वहाँ पे सब कुछ abundance में है. We just have to deposit our check and we can encash it only if we are being grateful. And how to be grateful? Fill in the amount you want to receive along with name and today's date. एंड इसमें लिखना क्या है कि खाली कोई भी अमाउंट लिखने से नहीं होगा, उस मनी से हम लोग को क्या चाहिए, दैट इज वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. एंड व्हाट यू, इसीलिए देखिए इटैलिक्स में है, व्हाट यू रियली वांट, क्योंकि जो चीज हम लोग को बहुत पैशनेटली चाहिए होता है ना, उसके लिए फीलिंग भी उतनी स्ट्रांग होती है, राइट? इफ यू रियली वांट इट, देन द फीलिंग्स आर स्ट्रांग एंड देन ओनली इट स्टार्ट्स वर्किंग, बिकॉज यू विल एबल टू फील मोर ग्रैटिट्यूड फॉर द मनी व्हेन यू नो व्हाट यू आर गोइंग टू स्पेंड द मनी ऑन. जैसे उनको अगर अलका जी को सॉलिटेयर चाहिए था, तो शी वाज लाइक, यू नो, आई रियली वांट इट, आई रियली नीड इट. इफ यू नीड एन आईफोन, तो मुझे आईफोन चाहिए चाहिए. तो वो जब होती है ना, शिद्दत होती है, पैशन होती है, तब उसके लिए फीलिंग्स भी वैसे स्ट्रॉन्ग जनरेट होती है. So that we has to be very clear as what you want.
Okay, I'll read from here. Choose a specific amount of money for one thing you really want, because you will be able to feel more gratitude for the money when you know what you are going to spend the money on. Money is a means to what you want, but it's not the end result. So if you just thought about money per se, you wouldn't be able to feel as much gratitude. When you imagine getting the things you really want or doing the things you really want to do, you will feel far more gratitude than if you were just being grateful for money.
Yeah. तो खाली मनी चाहिए से कि हाँ मुझे 1 लाख चाहिए, मुझे 5 लाख चाहिए, मुझे 10 लाख चाहिए, या मुझे 50,000 चाहिए, यू नो, स्टार्ट विद द स्मॉल अमाउंट फर्स्ट. तो ये नहीं है कि उससे क्या फीलिंग्स आ रही है, हाँ बस चाहिए, करना क्या पता नहीं, सोचेंगे आने के बाद. नो 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 नो, आने के बाद सोचने से वो आएगा ही नहीं. Then universe will think that you first think what you want and then only I give you. So we have to be very specific what I really want in life. You know, maybe बच्चों के लिए हो सकता है किसी का, आपका अगर आप पे लोन है या डेट है, you know, that also if you really want to repay, कि मुझे उनका चुकाना है, that also you can think of the amount. You must be knowing कितना देना है किसी को. So we know the fixed amount, you can write that amount also. But it has to be very specific and very clear that I really want to use this money for.
You can photocopy or scan the magic check from the book. You can also get an abundance of blank magic checks. If you want, you can start with a similar amount on your first magic check.
Smaller amount. Not
similar. Sorry. If you want, you can start with a smaller amount on your first magic check, and after you receive the smaller amount, you can keep increasing the amounts on your next checks. The benefit of starting with a smaller amount is that when you magically receive it, you will know that you did
it.
one second. I mean, the thing is coming on it, so I can't see. So you did it. You will know absolutely. You will know absolutely that the magic of gratitude worked, and the gratitude and joy you feel will make bigger amounts believable to you.
Yeah. So ये जो वेबसाइट का नाम है यहाँ पे www.thesecret.tv, यहाँ पे आप जाके आप डाउनलोड करके भी निकाल सकते हो. अदरवाइज आई विल बी शेयरिंग द चेक PDF फॉर्मेट में इन द ग्रुप. आप उसका प्रिंट आउट निकाल सकते हो. इफ यू थिंक लॉकडाउन में प्रिंटर घर पे नहीं है, यू कांट इवन गो आउट, आप एक हैंड रिटन चेक भी बना सकते हो, राइट? एंड देन यू राइट द अमाउंट. So you and initially यहाँ बोल रहे हैं you start with the smaller amount. तो जैसे बोलते हैं ना, इनका कितना टाइम लग जाता है. बिगर अमाउंट में तो रियलाइज होने में बहुत टाइम लग जाता है. then you get disheartened and you think this is all, you know, बोलते हैं ना फेक है, ऐसे ही है, कुछ नहीं हो रहा है. So you start with a smaller amount, maybe 10,000, 20,000 you need for the dresses or किसी को गिफ्ट करना है, कुछ भी, whatever you want to buy, maybe kitchen का कोई appliances, whatever it is. You think of the object, why you want it, and you find out the exact amount and then you fill the check. So the benefit of starting with smaller amount is that when you magically receive it, you will know that you did it. तब आपका belief strong हो जाता है and वो feelings भी ज़्यादा generate होने लग जाती है. So the magic of gratitude has worked, and gratitude and joy you feel will make bigger amounts believable to you. So that's very, very important कि हम लोग छोटा amount से start करें. Right.
Once you have filled in the details of the magic check, hold the check in your hands and think about the specific thing you want the money for. Get a picture in your mind and visualize yourself actually using the money to get the very thing that you want, and put as much excitement and gratitude into it as you can. Maybe you want the money for a new pair of shoes, a computer, or a new bed. So picture yourself actually buying what you want in a store. If you would purchase what you want online, then picture yourself receiving the delivery. So you feel excitement and gratitude. You might want the money to travel overseas or for your child's college education. So imagine buying your airplane ticket or opening a college bank account and feel as happy and grateful as if you have really received it.
Yeah, so it is all about visualization. क्योंकि हम लोग जॉयफुल और ग्रेटफुल तब फील करेंगे जब हम लोग विजुअलाइज करेंगे कि उस मनी को हम लोग जो चाह रहे थे उसको हम लोग कैसे आज ही यूज कर रहे हैं. तो अगर आपका कुछ भी अमाउंट है, जैसे अगर आपके पास अभी रेंट पे करने के लिए नहीं है, सो 50,000 आप उसमें लिख दीजिए एंड देन यू विजुअलाइज कि आप जिनको रेंट देना है आप उनको कॉल किए हैं, बुलाए हैं, या आप उनके पास विजिट किए हैं एंड यू पेइंग ऑफ द रेंट एंड यू गिविंग दैट, हैंडिंग ओवर द चेक टू दैट पर्सन. अगर आपको कुछ खरीदना है तो आप उसको विजुलाइज करिए कि मैं स्टोर में गई हूँ, वहां से एक LV या गुच्ची का बैग बाय की हूँ एंड आ रही हूँ एंड एवरीवन इज अप्रिशिएटिंग एंड लाइकिंग इट. तो वो जॉय एंड एक्साइटमेंट आएगा, और वो जॉय एंड एक्साइटमेंट आएगा अलॉन्ग विथ जैसे बोलते हैं ना, अंगीठी में जितना डालेंगे स्टार्टिंग में तो स्पार्क ही होगा ना, उसके बाद ही तो फायर बढ़ता जाएगा, उसमें हम लोग कुछ डालते जाएंगे. तो जैसे जैसे जॉयफुल एक्साइटमेंट के साथ हम लोग ग्रेटिट्यूड डालते जाएंगे एंड एक बहुत तेज रोशनी हो जाएगी एंड देन ओनली वी कैन realize it. So be it what, you have to be very specific and feel as happy and grateful as if you have already received it. Thank you.
After you have completed these steps, take the magic check with you today. One second. Today, or put it in a place where you will see it often. On at least 2 more occasions during the day today, take the magic check in your... God, what is happening? One second. On at least 2, actually I'm doing it from the phone, so just going there.
Got it, yeah. Shall I continue?
Yeah, 1 second. I can't find it only. Where has it gone?
As you have completed these steps, you are saying take the magic check with you today or put it in a place where you will see it often.
On at least 2 occasions, 2 or more occasions during the day today, take the magic check in your hands, picture yourself actually using the money for what you wanted, and feel as grateful and excited as you can, as though you are really doing it. If you want, you can do it more times in the day. As with any other magical practice, you can't do it too often.
So जैसे हम लोग gratitude के लिए बोलते हैं ना, हर एक बार बोलते हैं कि it is never too much for gratitude. तो 2 occasions पे तो minimum, whatever the book is saying is always the minimum. हम लोग को वो चेक को हाथ में लेना है और विजुअलाइज करना है कि उस मनी से हम लोग ने क्या कैसे उसको यूटिलाइज किया, और उसके बाद हम लोग को बहुत ही एक्साइटमेंट होके विजुअलाइज करेंगे तो अपने आप एक्साइटमेंट और हैप्पीनेस आएगा, एंड देन यू फील एज ग्रेटफुल फॉर द मनी दैट यू हैव यूज्ड एज यू कैन.
At the end of today, either keep your magic check where you had it or put it in another prominent place where you will see it daily. You can put it on your bathroom mirror,
your refrigerator.
Oh, this is underneath your magic rock, in your car or wallet, or on the background of your computer. Anytime you see your magic check, feel as though you have received the money and be grateful that now you can have or do what you want. When you have received the money on your magic check, or if you receive the item you wanted to spend the money on in another magical way, replace the check with a new amount for something else that you really want and continue with the magic check practice as long as you want.
So अगर आपका रियलाइज हो जाए या तो आपको मनी मिल गया है जो चीज आपको बाय करना है, या आपको वो चीज ही मिल गई है, देन ऑल्सो वी कैन थिंक दैट मनी हैज बीन रियलाइज. उसको अगर मिल गया है तो फिर हम लोग उसको रिप्लेस कर देंगे विद न्यू चेक एंड थिंकिंग ऑफ व्हाट यू वांट टू बाय. अब बहुत जन का ऐसा भी है कि आई हैव एवरीथिंग इन अबंडेंस, लाइक अभी मेरा कोई नीड ही नहीं है, द लकी वन. So if you have those kind of feelings, तब आप सोचिए अगर आपका कहीं मन है कहीं पे चैरिटी या डोनेशन करने का, you can go for it. Yeah, that also amount you can buy and try to find it out, like if you can create thought or desire.
Okay, Payal ji, I want to ask one thing. So every day you have to see it twice?
Minimum twice.
Or only today? Every day twice? Okay. Magic practice number 17, the magic check. Count your blessings. Make a list of 10 blessings. Write why you are grateful. Reread your list, and at the end of each blessing, say thank you, thank you, thank you, and feel as grateful for that blessing as you can. Number 2, fill in your magic check with the amount of your money you want to receive, along with your name and today's date. Practice number 3, hold your magic check in your hands and imagine purchasing the specific thing you want the money for. Feel as happy and grateful as you can that you have received it. Take the magic check with you today or put it in a place where you will see it often. On at least 2 more occasions, take the check in your hands, picture yourself using the money for what you want, and feel as grateful as though you were really doing it. 5, at the end of today, keep your magic check in a prominent place where you will see it daily. When you have received the money on your check, or if you receive the item you wanted to spend the money on, replace the check with a new amount for something else you want and repeat steps 2 to 4.
Yes.
Number 6,
जितनी बार हम लोग चेक लिखेंगे ये 2 to 4 तक का हम लोग को बार-बार रिपीट करना है.
Number 6, just before you go to sleep tonight, hold your magic rock in one hand and say the magic words, thank you for the best thing that happened during the day.
Yeah, so this is a picture of a check. PDF में मैं आप लोग को भेज दूंगी वहां से, और नहीं तो वेबसाइट का जो नाम लिखा है आप लोग यहाँ से डाउनलोड भी कर सकते हैं. So as you know, हम लोग को चेक फिल करना है with date, along with the date and the name and the specific amount. First think why you want it, the specific amount, and then you fill the check. और दिन में कम से कम 2 more occasions, और at least लिखा हुआ है, इसका मतलब minimum 2, you can do it more than 2 also. So take the check in your hand, हाथ में लेना है, and picture yourself using that money for what you want and be grateful. And end of the day, keep your check. मैं अपने साइड टेबल पे रखती हूँ because whenever I set, before night also I do it. And उसके बाद आपको जब मनी मिल जाता है, you can replace it with a new check. Very powerful. Thank you, Alka ji, for reading for all of us.
Thank you, Payal ji, for the lovely session.
पायल जी, जब रियलाइज हो जाता है तो पहले वाले चेक का क्या करना है अगर न्यू चेक बना रहे हैं तो?
That was the question Preeti asked. If you want, you can discard it also, but I don't discard. I keep it. मेरा जैसे gratitude journal तो मेरा already भरा हुआ भी रखा है ना, so I start putting in that because it makes me, you know, it reminds me all the time कि मेरे ये check realize हुए थे, तो कभी occasionally मैं निकाल के देखती हूँ and really feel happy and grateful.
तो उस पे रियलाइज क्या ऐसे कुछ लिख दें कि ग्रांटेड या ऐसा कुछ लिख दें, ब्लेस्ड?
थैंक यू लिख दीजिए बस, थैंक यू.
Okay, Payal ji, now should I make for the balance amount or a new figure only of a new thing?
If you really need that thing and if you really need the balance amount, you fill it and again start visualizing for it, or if you want a new thing, then
no, I stick to the whole thing.
It's actually on you और कितना power आप उसमें दे रहे हो. Start collecting by paying gratitude, you know, gratitude account for जल्दी. Sorry. Yes, Pooja ji. Who was asking something? Pooja, no?
Yeah, Payal, I just want to ask something.
हाँ जी.
जो amount we write, so that amount एक बार में ही आता है कि break में, मतलब what is the system exactly?
सिस्टम तो आपका है, आप कितना ग्रेटिट्यूड दे रहे हो, आप कितना ग्रेटिट्यूड आपके अकाउंट में है. अगर आपका ग्रेटिट्यूड हाफ ही भरा हुआ है, इसीलिए तो अलका जी का हाफ रियलाइज हुआ है. अब वापस से अपना ग्रेटिट्यूड अकाउंट को भरेंगी तब उनका बाकी हाफ भी रियलाइज हो जाएगा. इट्स ऑल ऑन अस हाउ मच पावर वी गेट. सो दिस इज द काइंड ऑफ चेक. जैसे मेरे पास 2 काइंड ऑफ चेक है, आई थिंक, बट ये सीक्रेट वाला है, मैं ये वाला फॉरवर्ड कर दूंगी इसका पीडीएफ. एक बार में आप 3-4 भी निकाल के रख सकते हो, उसमें एक बार में 4 आ जाता है. तो आप, मैं तो जैसे एक बार में निकाल के रख लेती हूँ. सो इफ वन रियलाइजेस तो यू कैन, बार प्रिंट आउट कौन निकालेगा. और कितने जन तो इतने महान होते हैं, उन लोग का इतना जल्दी रियलाइज होता है, दे मेरे को बुकलेट लाइक चेक बुक की तरह यूनिवर्स का चेक बुक बना लेते हैं. यू नो, दे टेक आउट सो मेनी प्रिंट आउट ऑफ द चेक, दे कीप रियलाइजिंग इट. तो दैट्स आल्सो, यू नो, गुड फीलिंग में रहना है, क्योंकि गुड फीलिंग में अब हम लोग को फ्यूचर में कुछ भी चाहिए रियलाइज करना है, तो गुड फीलिंग में रहना इज वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. वरी चिंता कि मेरा फ्यूचर में कैसे होगा, बिजनेस कैसे चलेगा, कहाँ से रुपया आएगा, अगर ये सब सोचेंगे ना, तो वो हम लोग उसी चिंता को ही अट्रैक्ट करेंगे. और लाइफ में ऐसा पता चलेगा बिजनेस में, अरे वहां से भी नहीं आया पैसा, वहां से भी नहीं आया और वहां से भी नहीं आया. तो हम लोग को यही सोचना है कि सब आ जाएगा, अच्छे से आएगा, आई गेट माई. दिस फीलिंग में रहना बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है.
I was asking पायल जी कि मैं डेट कब का डालूंगी, मतलब जैसे
आज फिल करोगे तो आज का डेट डालना है. उसमें नाम लिखना है एंड अमाउंट लिखना है.
अच्छा पायल, with the unrealized check last time, whatever we wrote, if it is still not realized, then we can also write a new check.
हाँ, if you are getting disheartened, if you want to continue कि मेरा इसमें already power दिया हुआ है, so let me continue. If you are getting disheartened कि it's been long, you know, write a new check. कुछ भी नहीं है. Today is the first day of the rest of my life, as I always say. Forget about it.
The same thought.
Huh?
Will it be with the same thought? I had written that check for a particular person. So same thought.
Yeah, what you want actually उस पे depend करते हैं ना. What if you want the same thing, then you have to give more power.
Because of Corona, so obviously many things have come to a, you know, kind of a sad thing which is not really moving fast. So with the same thing only, should I write, or you know, a new fresh one? You know, with the
make a new fresh one with fresh start, and don't think this way कि अरे Corona pandemic में कहाँ से आएगा, because the doubt should not be there. Fear and doubt feeling should not be there. It will be like just visualize that you have got it and you are happy about it and you are using that thing. That excitement and fear is very important. Joy and, you know, excitement of getting those things is very important.
Or I can also continue with the same check, na, not a problem.
No, yeah, you can continue. Maybe gratitude के practices ज़्यादा बढ़ा दो. Lack of gratitude होगा, उसका practices ज़्यादा करो. Manager appoint करो, सबसे ज़्यादा gratitude वहीं पे, you know, collection हो जाता है. Appoint and manager. You know, we have done the chapter, no? Manager वाला. And you start paying gratitude for every small, big, everything.
Okay, thank you.
Ayal, in your first class में तो एक check हो गया था, अभी कर रहे हैं बाकी और check.
So all the best. Put more power. That means we need. और कहीं ना कहीं इसका मतलब हम लोग पैसे को लेके complain कर रहे हैं. कितना खर्चा कर रहे हो, किसी का बिजनेस चल नहीं रहा है और तुम यहाँ इतना खर्चा कर रहे हो. Check the language we are talking. These are all complaints. Don't we do it? Natural सब करते हैं घर में, है ना. तो जहाँ से चिंता, वरी, फियर आ जाता है. यस छाया जी.
हाँ, जय जिनेंद्र.
ये बोलना चाह रही थी कि मेरा एक चेक भरा हुआ है तो मैंने और दूसरा भरना है या वो ही रहने दूंगा?
नहीं, एक बार में
और कोई
एक अगर हो जाएगा तब आप वापस से भरें।
थोड़े दिन पहले ही भरा हुआ है तो फिर न तो भरू ना भी।
नहीं, कंटिन्यू विद दैट।
Okay.
Yes, Neetu ji, you have
Hi,
more.
Payal ji. Hi, Payal.
Hi, hello.
I want to ask, as I want to receive some amount from somebody, so I can imagine that
किसी से
is
पैसे आने हैं।
giving it and then I am able to use it.
Yeah, yes, you can. किसी को देना है तो भी, किसी से आना है तो भी, पर वैसे नहीं करना है। वो कैसे देगा, कहाँ से देगा, वो नहीं सोचना है। उसको भी बहुत ब्लेसिंग देना है जिस पर्सन के पास से आना है।
Okay.
उन्हें भी करो, क्योंकि वो प्रॉस्पर करेगा, उनके पास आएगा तब तो आपके पास भी आ जाएगा ना। अगर हम लोग कंप्लेन उस पर्सन के लिए भी कंप्लेन करेंगे तो भी नहीं आएगा।
अच्छा, and I have one sharing.
Oh wow.
मैं मतलब काफी टाइम से सोच रही थी I want to buy a ring, और मेरी अभी 25th एनिवर्सरी गई अप्रैल में।
Congratulations.
Thank you. So I received it from my mother-in-law. So I was really very happy.
Congratulations. More magic and more parties.
Sister.
Oh, she's your sister. Okay.
Yeah, we all are three sisters. Preeti, Chaya, and me.
Oh,
and
lovely.
Alka is my baby.
Okay. Wonderful. Yes, so you already realized one.
अच्छा पायल जी, मुझे पूछना है कुछ।
हाँ पूछिए। अरे आंटी है। हाँ।
मुझे कोई बड़ा अमाउंट का कोई अपने लिए कोई चीज चाहिए।
हाँ।
लेकिन बड़ा अमाउंट है।
हाँ, चीज सोचा हुआ है ना।
हाँ, चीज सोची हुई है, लेकिन वो बड़ा अमाउंट है, तो उसके लिए अब मैं, आपने कहा छोटा अमाउंट भरो, तो उसी चीज के अगेंस्ट में मैं छोटा अमाउंट भर सकती हूँ?
नो 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 नो, छोटा अमाउंट उनके लिए जो फर्स्ट टाइम करेंगे ना, तो क्या होता है, आपको तो आप तो कर चुके हो, आपका बिलीव स्ट्रांग होना चाहिए, आपका ग्रेटिट्यूड अकाउंट भी भरा हुआ है, सो यू कैन गो फॉर द बिग अमाउंट। आपका वो स्पेसिफिक होना चाहिए, जो चीज चाहिए उसका क्या प्राइस है, आप उतना ही भरोगे, तभी उसमें पावर आएगा।
ओके।
जो फर्स्ट टाइम कर रहे हैं उनका क्या बिलीफ नहीं आता है ना, देन आई से यू नो गो फॉर द स्मॉलर थिंग, ताकि वो रियलाइज होने से वो जॉय एंड एक्साइटमेंट आता है, यस इट इज वर्किंग, तो आपका सेकंड चेक में पावर ज्यादा आएगा।
ओके, पर मेरे चेक में नीचे यूनिवर्स नहीं लिखा हुआ है, तो मैं कहाँ लिखूं? जहाँ साइन है वहां लिखूं क्या?
आपके में ये वाला चेक नहीं है क्या? इसमें तो यूनिवर्स का साइन है, यू हैव दिस चेक, तब इसमें आप खुद लिख लीजिए द यूनिवर्स।
सीक्रेट का है मेरे पास। हाँ,
तो सीक्रेट का तो ये वाला है, ये राजन सर का है, इसमें आप लिख लीजिए द यूनिवर्स, और इसमें तो ऑलरेडी साइंड है ना।
पर यूनिवर्स का साइन करा हुआ अच्छा है चेक सबसे।
राइट, बेस्ट इज दिस, यहाँ पे आप अपना पे, यहाँ पे अपना अमाउंट इन फिगर एंड इन वर्ड्स लिखिए, और साइंड ऑलरेडी है, यहाँ पे डेट लिख दीजिए।
और जहाँ साइन नहीं है तो वहाँ कौन से कलर से लिखना चाहिए साइन?
रेड, आई थिंक रेड इज फॉर मनी ना?
नहीं, ग्रीन इज,
here it's written in blue.
ग्रीन इज फॉर मनी।
ग्रीन मनी के लिए तो रेड होता है।
आकांक्षा के साथ क्लास ली थी ना, उसने बताया था ग्रीन।
ग्रीन से लिख दीजिए।
हमने आकांक्षा से पूछो,
ग्रीन से लिख दीजिए, ग्रीन से लिख दीजिए।
हाँ, पर रेड इज फॉर द मैनिफेस्टेशन।
हाँ, मनी के लिए
ब्लैक एंड व्हाइट।
No, not with black. Please don't write with black. Black is for
नहीं, black and white print है, black and white है, वो colored check नहीं निकला. Is it okay?
That's okay. That's okay. See, it doesn't matter. It's all your feelings and your being grateful. वो बहुत important है। चिंता में बैठे हैं और उसको चेक भर रहे हैं, पता नहीं ये होगा कि नहीं, मेरा ये लोन हो जाएगा कि नहीं, it will not work. It will not work. So your feelings are very important.
पेन से ही भरी थी। That time we didn't know the colors.
Absolutely. See, the magic book doesn't say anything about color. This is like coming from some other, you know, the switch words and all. So it's all on your own feeling. Universe को एक ही language समझ में आता है feelings का, और आपका कौन सा energy आप उसमें दे रहे हैं। That is very vital. But black avoid करिए. Don't use black.
अच्छा पायल जी, excuse me.
Yes, Sunita ji, बोलिए।
Yeah, जो old check, if I don't want to use it, so I can make a fresh one. I can keep that aside. I don't just forget it.
मतलब
because I didn't
check भरा हुआ है।
हाँ बढ़ा हुआ, but I didn't give gratitude to it. Frankly speaking, I didn't know about it.
नहीं तो फिर इसको हटा के आज से नया भरिए.
Because I didn't know to give gratitude. I never gave gratitude to it. I just kept it aside only.
No. हम लोग को उसको तो चार्ज एनर्जाइज करना है ना, इमेजिन
So
करना है ना.
I should make a fresh one today and just give gratitude to that.
हाँ, फ्रेश बना लीजिए.
And जो वो वाला वो मैं क्या करूँ जो है उसको
हटा दीजिए. आप उसको हटा सकते हो. उसमें कुछ पावर ही नहीं है, एनर्जी ही नहीं है, उसमें कुछ भी नहीं है, पेपर है वो.
पायल जी कुछ बात शेयर करूं?
यस पायल जी प्लीज.
हाँ, मैंने तो अपने ड्रेसिंग टेबल पे ही लगाया है, तो बार बार मैं उसको थैंक यू करते रहती हूँ, दिखते रहता है.
एकदम बढ़िया.
मैं बता रही हूँ कि अपने को सारा टाइम दिखता है ना, ड्रेसिंग टेबल पे अपन रेडी होते तो नजर जाती है. थैंक यू कर सकते हैं.
आपने तो चूड़ी रियलाइज किया ना, आपका भी तो चूड़ी का था ना, बैंगल्स का.
अभी तक 3 चेक हो गए.
3 चेक, वाओ. इनका तो 3 चेक हो गया. लवली.
हाँ, मेरे पर्स भी बड़ा ही भरा था, वो मैंने गाड़ी के लिए भरा था, मैं गाड़ी आ गई है कार के लिए. आज मैं फिर चूड़ी के लिए भरा था, वो भी हो गया. फिर और क्या के लिए
बहुत ही फास्ट हो रहे शायद दीदी आपके, तो सारा दिन ग्रेटिट्यूड देते लगता है.
हाँ, उसी में रहती है, खुश रहती है, वो खुश रहती है. मंत्रा इज टू स्टे हैप्पी. रोते रहेंगे, कंप्लेन करते रहेंगे, भगवान मुझे दे दे, कब देंगे, कब दोगे, तो नहीं.
पायल जी, आई थिंक हम सब लोगों को ना छाया जी को बोल देना चाहिए हमारे भी चेक काफी भर दो.
एक्चुअली जी को ही बोलना चाहिए कि she will do on behalf of.
ये वाला सबसे बेस्ट.
और पैसे आएंगे तो वो ही रख लेंगे.
नहीं, वो ऐसे नहीं करेंगे. इतनी ग्रेटिट्यूड पे रहती हूँ, ऐसे काम कभी नहीं करती.
बिल्कुल नहीं, but she is giving so much gratitude. It's like giving gratitude for her own thing, right?
बिल्कुल.
उन्होंने 6 क्लासेस कर ली है तो ग्रेटिट्यूड बढ़ गया ना ऑलरेडी.
उनका अकाउंट इज लाइक ओवरफ्लोइंग. उनका अकाउंट ग्रेटिट्यूड का ओवरफ्लो कर रहा है.
करेक्ट.
He keeps collecting it. और हम लोग क्या, एक बार रियलाइज होने के बाद हम लोग सोचते हैं वो मेरा तो हो गया, छोड़ देते हैं. तो we go back.
ये ब्लैक एंड व्हाइट भी चलेगा क्या?
Absolutely.
जो काम सोच रही हो रहा है. मेरा मंदिर का मैंने ड्रीम लिखा हुआ था, तो आज मेरा मीन्स स्टार्ट हो गया, आधा काम हो गया, कल परसों में कंप्लीट हो जाएगा. बहुत इच्छा.
ये बात तो मुझे नहीं मालूम पायल जी, लेकिन मेरे भी छोटे काम बड़े फटाफट हो रहे हैं.
कर सकती हूँ मैं.
लवली.
अभी आप जाओगे ना आउटिंग पे, तो छाया दी के साथ वही करते रहना.
So you can always take tips from her, and you know हम लोग सब बोलते हैं लेकिन करते बहुत कम है practice. So the more we practice, the more faster the results we can see. इनका अगर डिले हो रहा है और लग रहा है 1 महीना हो गया, मैं भी तो कर रही हूँ, कुछ नहीं हो रहा है, इसका मतलब somewhere we are lacking in gratitude. और या तो पास्ट के अभी तक हम लोग ने भरे नहीं है, तो फ्यूचर कैसे वर्क करेगा? पास्ट का हम लोग को पहले अकाउंट से निकाल के वो सब कवर करना है ना, वो सब भी हमारे डेट ही है. ग्रेटिट्यूड जिनको दी है नहीं अभी तक, तो उनको सबको क्लियर करके देन प्रेजेंट एंड देन नाउ वी आर इन कमिंग इन फ्यूचर. तो जितना ज्यादा स्पीड अप करेंगे ग्रेटिट्यूड उतना अच्छा रहेगा. एंड द सर्कल ऑफ मनी, जितना देंगे उतना आएगा. जैसे बोलते हैं ना, जो देवे वो देव. हम लोग की आश्रमन बताती है, जो देवे वो देव. तो जितना हम लोग देंगे, और भगवान सिर्फ देने के लिए ही तो है, तो जितना देंगे उतना ही हम लोग को मिलेगा. अगर हम लोग आज किसी को 100 देंगे विद गुड फीलिंग्स, आपको पता ही नहीं है 1 लाख कहीं से आ जाएगा. Now recently, you know, yesterday only, मेरे account में I'm sharing here. I don't know I should record this or not, or I should stop it. Someone has credited in my account and मुझे नहीं पता कहाँ से वो money आया, and good amount. I went to bank today to find out कि money कहाँ से आया है. चेक नंबर दिया हुआ है, HDFC बैंक दिया हुआ है, बट किसने दिया है मुझे नहीं पता. कौन डिपॉजिट बोला? आपने नहीं किया डिपॉजिट? हमने नहीं. अमाउंट है इसका. मेरे तो वो भी टेंशन हो गई.
Congratulations पायल, it's great.
बट अकाउंट मेंटेन करने के लिए तो पता होना चाहिए ये कहाँ से आया.
वो भी मिरेकल हुआ है ना,
भरा भी नहीं और आपको मिल भी गया.
I don't know.
It's from the universe.
Yeah, I take it that way. I'm very grateful and happy, but I went to bank and I just, please find it out who has credited to my account. I need to put it in my file. No? So like, आप मुझे बताइए. बोला अभी तो लॉकडाउन है, कुछ पता नहीं चलेगा. You enjoy? ऐसे कैसे?
पायल
हाँ जी, yes मोनिका जी।
ये चेक में अपने को डेट लिखना है ना अमाउंट लिखना है?
ऊपर डेट रहता है ना, चेक भरते हैं तो ऊपर डेट भी रहता है ना। आज का आप कल भरोगे तो कल का डेट लिखिए, आज लिखोगे तो आज का डेट लिखिए, एंड अमाउंट तो लिखना ही है।
That's it. डेट नहीं, टू द ऑर्डर ऑफ जो लिखा हुआ है।
योर नेम
नहीं टू दी ऑर्डर ऑफ में तो नंबर मतलब यू विल राइट
जैसे जहाँ पे लिखा है ना, पे
वहां पे नाम,
तो आप अपना नाम लिखोगे,
पे अपना नाम, टू द
ऑर्डर ऑफ अमाउंट इन रुपीज, लाइक इन वर्ड्स, ठीक है। और यहाँ पे एक तो देखिएगा व्हाइट कलर का जगह है, यहाँ पे इन फिगर्स लिख दीजिए, ठीक है। तो इट इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट। एंड आज मैं मैग्निफिसेंट आउटकम किया था। आई एक्चुअली यू नो मेरा बैंक में वर्क भी मेरा बहुत लॉकडाउन की वजह से कोलकाता में लाइक देयर आर नो पीपल, तो एक पासबुक अपडेट कराना भी है ना। आई थिंक आई शेयर्ड आई हेट गोइंग टू बैंक एंड डूइंग द वर्क देयर, लेकिन मैंने मैग्निफिसेंट आउटकम करके गया था कि आज तो सब एक बार में करूंगी, तो जस्ट पासबुक अपडेट कराना था। बोले कि नहीं लॉकडाउन के बाद होगा, अभी तो ये कुछ भी हो ही नहीं रहा, देयर आर नो स्टाफ हियर। हमने सर आई कम हार्डली 3-4 मंथ्स में आऊंगी, आई एम नॉट कमिंग अगेन। बोला आपका करेंगे तो सब बोलने लगेंगे, एंड समहाउ आई सेड इट्स ओके, एंड देन ही कॉल्ड मी, ही सेड अच्छा ठीक है दे दीजिए, आपका कर दीजिए। एंड मेरे बाद यू नो माय फादर वाज आल्सो अलोंग विद मी, वो बोले तुम्हारा कर दिया, ही रिफ्यूज्ड मी, आई सेड ही जस्ट आस्क्ड मी यू गिव योर्स, हमने चलिए आपका दीजिए, आपका भी करा दी। एंड देन ही सेड नो मोर। उसमें से और एक लेडी आई, बोले कि आई एम नॉट डूइंग ऑल दिस बट ही डिड माइन। My work was like done all. My father was like, अरे मेरा work नहीं हुआ, तुम्हारा हो गया सब अच्छे से। I said I'm really sorry, but he did mine, and I requested him, but he did not do it. He was very strict, but somehow he did mine. Then I realized like it does work, you know, it does work. इनको लगता है कि कुछ नहीं होता है, but it is like I was not getting disheartened or worried. नहीं किया next time, you know, it was like that. But he said no, with yours I'll do yours. So that's how the magic happens.
Payal ji, I have a sharing.
Yes, lovely. Yes, Namrata ji, please do share.
My husband, he lost his pen drive 4-5 days ago.
Pen drive.
And he was in and he was literally finding it, and he was getting depressed every day. But I was paying gratitude each day. And since this is my first time, I'm telling you truly, I'm not very much into it. But yes, I was paying. Maybe little, not very wholeheartedly, but a little hearted. But yesterday I saw him so disheartened that he couldn't sleep. Okay. So like, no, I'm going to pay gratitude. And we did that chapter also 2-3 days before. We are going to get a good news.
Right.
I was just saying this the whole day. No, I will get a good news that I found it. Each time we called each other and say, Mila. 4 days we were just like, Mila ki nahi. And last night I was like, nahi, pakka. Tomorrow morning we will get the good news that we found it. And believe me, today morning only my helper, she came and she gave it to me and she said, Bhabhi, ye to wahan pe pada hua tha.
Wow.
I mean, morning I'm waiting for the session ki I will come and tell you ki my husband is saying gratitude to me and telling me, please do pay gratitude to your well-wishers, everybody on the screen ki please, it really worked. I mean, now I can see the magic and I'm feeling so good within ki yes, even I have the power of magic within.
Absolutely. We all have power within us. We all have power within us. सब लोग अभी तक उसको यूज ही नहीं कर रहे हैं। ये जो ना ये बॉडी या ब्रेन जैसे।
I'm waiting. I want to come up and tell you. I have so many guests sitting down. I couldn't do the session today, but I was like, I am going to go upstairs and do the class just for 20 minutes also and tell you thank you so much.
Thank you so much for sharing, and congratulations.
Thank you so much.
Yeah, thank you for believing in the magic book. Thanks to Rhoda Bond, thanks to you. And do acknowledge, pay grateful, be grateful to your help who helped, made you.
I did. I talked to her. I said thank you to her thrice. Looking into her eyes, I said it. You really made my day and my belief stronger. I was right. My belief is becoming stronger that yes, this is working.
Wonderful. Absolutely stunning. Yeah.
Thank you so much.
थैंक यू। मोर मैजिक एंड मोर पावर टू यू। तो अगर हम लोग थोड़ा थोड़ा सा ग्रेटिट्यूड प्रैक्टिस करेंगे तो क्या है, थोड़े थोड़े सपने पूरे होंगे, और ज्यादा ग्रेटिट्यूड प्रैक्टिस करेंगे तो बड़े बड़े सपने पूरे होंगे। So it all depends on us.
Fill in the check for the iPhone. I was just thinking of the iPhone and you said it. I was like, yes, I got to fill it for the iPhone now.
Ekdam, why not? You will receive your iPhone very soon.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you. So let's pay our gratitude, then we can take more sharing. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you, God. Thank you, universe. Thank you for the abundance of money in our life. Thank you. Thank people who help me.
पायल जी,
हाँ जी,
ये जो चेक पे वाइट एक ब्लैंक है, वो उसमें क्या भरना है?
फिगर मतलब मनी को फिगर्स में लिखना है, लाइक 50,000 वगैरह जो लिखते हैं ना, उसको वैसे फिगर्स में लिखना है।
पायल जी, एवरीडे का जो आप जो भी बताते हो कि कुछ भी जो बनाना है हम लोग को, से हेल्थ के लिए, मनी के लिए, एफर्मेशंस जो आप बोलते हो अपने बेड साइड पे रखते हो, एक बार हम लोग को एट अ ग्लैंस आप सारा दिखा दो कि आप रखते कैसे हो, बिकॉज रख के सारे बुलेटिन बोर्ड भर चुके हैं घर के।
नहीं, इसमें रखते कैसे, जैसे नहीं, मैंने जैसे वो जो कार्ड्स छोटे छोटे बनाए, तो बड़ा मत बनाओ, छोटे छोटे बना के जैसे मैंने वो मिरर पे लगा दिया। मेरा एक परफ्यूम का शेल्फ है, वहां पे मैंने नोट वाला रख दिया है, और मेरे जो साइड टेबल पे है वो मेरा वहां पे मैजिक रॉक और चेक रखती हूँ। मैजिक रॉक के नीचे मैं चेक रखती हूँ, यू नो, बिकॉज आई, सबका अपना अपना बिलीफ, आई हैव दैट बिलीफ कि रॉक को मैं रोज इतना चार्ज करती हूँ, उसके नीचे मैं अपना चेक रखती हूँ, तो वो भी रात को जैसे एक बार चेक सामने रहता है, यू नो, दैट्स हाउ इट इज एट डिफरेंट प्लेसेस। जैसे आप लोग का कहाँ पे आप लोग का नजर जाता रहता है, यूज करते हैं, दिखता रहता है?
एक बार
इसमें लगा के स्टिक कर देती हूँ।
I think dressing table is the best place.
Absolutely.
या ऐसे का वो आते हैं ना नोटबुक, आई मीन स्टिक ऑन वाला। हाँ, दिस इज बेटर।
जहाँ पे फोन का चार्जर होता है ना अपना, सबसे बेस्ट प्लेस तो वो भी होती है। क्योंकि इनिशियली बार बार चार्ज करना होता है फोन, तो वो चीजें दिखाई देती है चार्जर पे लगाने के लिए।